Oh, today is an exciting day. Right here. That has the craziest tape I've ever seen. Welcome to the channel. If you're new around here, this is what we do. We do what we do, nephew. Oh, yes, baby. Cool, it comes in a freaking nice carrying case. Basically, the purpose of today's video is to kind of give you an idea of what it's like to have SteadyCam, Glidecam, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to go to Dog Beach today and get some steady shots. Let's see, we've got, let's see, promoting literacy. That's nice. Instructions have decent pictures. My Smith & Wesson, bought this years ago. So this is, oh wow, the whole unit's already together. No assembly. I'm into that. Silica gel. Who doesn't love that? Oh, and there we are. How cool is that? So we got our tripod plate, and that is removable like this. It's your standard Manfrotto style. Yeah, dude, the fluidity is fantastic. Comes with 0.22, 0.22, and a 0.45 pound weight. For all you Brits and people out there in the metric system, there are 100 grams, and 210 grams. And basically the whole purpose of this is so that when you're running around and your hand is super unsteady, that the camera basically is being counterbalanced and it's staying stillish. Obviously you don't do that, but you know. When the camera's on top of it, it would be a lot more stable. So here it is. This is the, I'll have to figure out later, see how long it takes to set up with the 60 Mark II we have over here. I will be using a 24-105 F4 lens, so that one's pretty heavy. And, oh, here we go. This is how you balance it side to side. So cool, dude. Yeah, there we go. Adjustments together to offset the balance. But yeah, so gonna jump out to the dog park. Girlfriend and the puppy are getting ready, and we'll see what kind of cinematic steady shots we can get from this puppy. Deuces.
Are we going to the dog park? Oh, the dog beach.
Test? Yeah, that'll work. Running test. Now the ninja walk. First impressions, build quality is incredible, but I am having trouble balancing it, but that's probably just because I suck at it, so I will learn a little more over the next couple days. I'm already getting it wet. No, are you scared? Here we are, made it to the dog beach. Got the newer, weird that it has multiple E's. The newer, whatever model number, Glidecam. Tested it out. I do not think I know how to balance it, so I got that going for me. Sun is completely covering my face, so you can't see me. And yeah, so we're here at the beach doing the do, and gonna get a little footage here for you to show how steady it is, at least for now, as I learn it, and back to the studio. car, cruise PCH back to his house. I had a good time at the beach. You had a good time at the beach? All right. Whoop.